Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, it's going to be day 7 of demo, and we're going to be removing the floor. So I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and put your questions in the comment section. As soon as the video's over, go check out some of our other content. Enjoy the clips. Everybody, that's about going to do it for today's video. Before we close out, I want to show you the room a little bit better, do a quick talk over. So my next stages are going to be digging out the crawl space, getting it cleaned up real good, getting all the debris out of here. I want to dig it down so that I can crawl under my HVAC system, ducting, and for future, repairs or future just anything. I need to get under there and, like treat the house for termites every so often, stuff like that, just preventative treatment type stuff. Really any reason I want to get under the house, I want to be able to get under and get around real easily. So I'm going to dig down, and then I'm going to re-support everything. I'm going to get concrete blocks down, basically get footings put in to install my beams and post on. And I'm probably going to go ahead and put in, after that's done, I'll probably go ahead and put in some more floor joists. These are 24-inch on center, but I want this room to feel real solid, which the beams and the post will obviously help. But instead of putting in 1.125" subfloor, Advantech subflooring, I want to put in basically the 3/4-inch version, the 23 by 32-inch thickness flooring, Advantech flooring. So, and the reason is because my existing flooring, at my thresholds, I want them to be a pretty nice transition as I'm working from room to room. So if I put that 1.125" in there, I'm already matching up to an old 3/4-inch-ish thickness floor, that tongue and groove I just pulled out. So once I put my subfloor in here and then put my finished flooring in here, I'm already going to have a transition, a grade transition or height transition from room to room, that I'll just put some kind of a transition strip in the interim before I get to that next room. So I just think that'd be good. And so if I put the 12-inch floor joist in, then I have my post and beams through the middle of the room to re-support it, then it should pretty much feel like concrete once I'm done. If I get done with that layer of subfloor and it doesn't feel like concrete, then at that point I may go ahead and just glue and screw some more 23 by 32 thickness Advantech subflooring, and just deal with it, you know. But we'll see. I'll keep y'all posted. It's kind of a day-by-day thing as we work through this project. So, but it's going to be pretty sweet once I get it all cleaned out and dug out and re-supported. So appreciate everybody watching. If you're enjoying this type of content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bigfoot out.